How to calculate and pay tuition fees. Hi guys, you made an appointment with your advisor. So the next step is to calculate tuition fees for the semester. Remember, tuition fee depends on the number of credits you are going to take. It's simple, all courses at KIMEP are 2 or 3 credits, there are all rarely 4 credits. If you take 6 courses from the general education requirements list, totally you will have 17 credits total. All you need to do is multiply 17 by the price per 1 credit, then add the student fee and medical fee. So the semester fee is tuition fee, student fee and medical fee. You may pay the full amount or divide your payment into 3 installments. The first payment should be done prior to registration, the others according to the academic calendar. Where and how to make payments? Here we go, you can pay by the cash to a bank, ATMs or through mobile banking. If you do a cash payment to a bank, you should tell them that you want to make a payment for KIMEP University tuition fee. Tell your full name and student ID number. Have your state ID or passport with you. Have KIMEP University bank details with you. Important, your payment processing may take up to 5 working days in all banks except Bank Center Credit. Bank Center Credit usually processes payments in 1 working day. Be sure that all payments are made in advance. If you have any questions, please contact us.